I figured it out. I figured it out. This is why bowlers have a ton of trouble learning how to release the bowling ball correctly. Let me explain. There's a very specific moment in time for a bowler where things usually go wrong with their bowling release. And what happens exactly, I was recently thinking about this, is that there's a timeline shift going from throwing a house ball to throwing your very own bowling ball. And so what happens is that bowlers unknowingly inherit bad habits created from throwing a house ball to throwing their own bowling ball. And when we throw a house ball, there are two very bad habits that are created. The first one being squeezing the bowling ball, and the second one being releasing the bowling ball with all three fingers at the same time. Now, when we think of what a house ball looks like, or how it feels to throw a house ball, we know that the finger holes in a house ball are ginormously big, and it's almost required of you to squeeze the bowling ball to stay connected to it. And so the question is that was my stomach. The question is the damage reversible? Can we fix it? Yes. Yes, we can. And before I say anything else, just some food for thought. I want you to think about when you went to go get your first bowling ball drilled, and when you were getting your hand measured at the pro shop. Was your hand in a relaxed position, or was your hand in a tense position? Think about it. So, what we can do to start off is something that I call the push away free fall exercise, aka trust the fall, trust the ball. And the idea here is to remind ourselves that we are throwing our own bowling ball that fits our hand, and we are no longer throwing a house ball that does not fit our hand. And so anything that we were doing with a house ball, we should not be doing with our own ball. And so when you get into the push away, you want to feel the freeness of the bowling ball falling into your swing. And you want to keep doing this until you really understand that feeling of freeness. And then we want to copy and paste that feeling of freeness into our full approach. And this is something that you have to practice and practice until your body understands it. And this is probably the most difficult for bowlers that have been squeezing the bowling ball ever since the beginning of time. But my best advice is you just got to trust the process.